Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question about area moment of inertia from the 9th chapter of vector mechanics for engineers. And we need to determine by direct integration, the moment of inertia of the shaded area with respect to the y-axis. So as we talked about in the previous videos, the moment of inertia with respect to y-axis would be the integral of x squared dA. And for dA, we're going to consider that tiny rectangle that moves from 0 to a, which would cover the whole area, and we have this part y and the other side would be dx. So basically the area of that rectangle, and because it's super teeny tiny, this side is going to be also almost horizontal, so that's why we consider it rectangle. So it's going to be y times dx. So in order to solve this integral, and it's going to be from 0 to a, we need to have y and x consistent, so we need everything based on x. But that's not a problem because the question is giving us the relationship between y and x. So this is going to be 0a x squared times 4h x over a negative x squared over a squared dx. So just gonna take out all the constants in here. So I'm just gonna factor one of these a's. So 4h over a 0 to x squared. And we have to multiply these x in each of them. So we have x cubed. And if we just multiply x squared by x squared, we're gonna get x to the 4. We factor one of the a's, so it's gonna be only one a in here. Dx. And yeah, we have 4h over a, and we're going to do the integral. X to the 3 is going to be x to the 4 over 4. And that one would be x to the 5 over 5a. From 0 to a, you can always double check your integral by differentiating what you had in this step and make sure that you're getting the same thing as the previous step. So yeah, if we just put a in here for h over a, we're gonna get a to the 4 over 4 negative a to the 5a. And if we just put 0, we can see that we're gonna get 0. And yeah, we can cancel these. That's gonna be also a to the 4. And we can do the common denominator in here, 25a4 negative 4a4, which is going to be 1a4. We can cancel out one of the a's. So basically we have 4h over a times a to the 4 over 20. Cancel this out, 5, one of these two. So it's going to be 1/5 of a to the 3, or h a cubed. Hope everything was clear. Let me know if you guys have any questions. You guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.